Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro will launch globally on October 4. Ahead of the official debut, the software giant is answering all your questions on design much before the launch. An official Pixel 8 Pro page, spotted by Jose Ruben and highlighted by Mishaal Rahman on X, gives a 360-degree preview of the smartphone. As old leaks point out, the Pixel 8 Pro looks similar to the Pixel 7 Pro with its horizontal camera bar on the back and hole-punch display. The back continues to house 3 cameras. The page also has certain spots to help users and potential customers understand the exterior of the smartphone. However, the company has not yet revealed the specifications officially. A similar design also makes sense, as Google does not likely want to shift attention from the Pixel Fold, its first foldable smartphone that is already available in select markets. The page also highlights Pixel 8 Pro's 3 color options: sky, porcelain, and licorice. The bezels on the front screen appear to be slimmer. This year, the rear camera bar adopts a similar color as the rest of the body, which also makes it look more premium and minimalistic. The rear cameras are housed inside a long pill-shaped cutout. Google has also revealed that the Pixel 8 Pro carries a temperature sensor on the back. Combined with software and AI-related tweaks, Google may unlock new features. As per existing leaks and rumors, the Pixel 8 Pro may carry a 6.7-inch QHD plus 120Hz LTPO OLED display. The front panel may house an 11-megapixel selfie camera. The back is likely to comprise 3 camera sensors: a 50-megapixel OIS-enabled primary camera, a 64-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 49-megapixel telephoto. The phone will likely feature a mix of glass and metal, similar to the Pixel 7 Pro of last year. The Pixel 8 Pro may draw power from a Google Tensor G3 SoC and a 4,950 mAh battery with 27-watt charging. The box will continue to ditch the charger. Other expected key features include a Titan security chip, 12 GB of RAM, 256 GB of storage, and an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner. The price of the Pixel 8 Pro is expected to increase this year. In the coming weeks, not only Google but other brands are also gearing up for their next-gen flagship phones. Apple will also launch the iPhone 15 series on September 12. So stay tuned for more updates and review, and subscribe to the channel for more update. Thanks for watching. Peace out.